Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
Not Matt.
On this Saturday's Core series, we're exploring Maker's Mark's Mint Julep. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more about this big old Maker's Mark.
Look at this beautiful thing. Maker's Mark Mint Julep, and it's got green wax. How cool is that? I'm very excited. I don't think they actually make this anymore because I didn't see it on the website. You can still buy it. It's like at the store, and it's like $40. But on their website, it's not there anymore. So I'm pretty confident they've discontinued it, but that's okay. I still think it's cool. It's 33%, which is a little bit more than the Old Forest one which we've originally. So you want to see the long history of the Mint Julep and the Kentucky Derby, go back and check that out. But yeah, the Mint Julep is the official drink of the Kentucky Derby since 1938. Of course, a Mint Julep is simply bourbon, simple syrup, and mint leaves muddled together, and mint leaves to add garnish. Because, it's fun stuff like that. So this is, of course, pre-making it for you. So they say you should refrigerate this and pour. As I know, Alexander had asked about that with the Old Forester version. So, yes, they actually recommend on the side of this bottle to put this in the fridge. So, and pour it over your cup of ice. They should put above it and put mint in it and then nose the mint while you're drinking it with a little tiny straw. So, fun stuff. So, let's see what we think of this here. And this will actually come out on Derby Day. So, that'll be here in a couple of weeks, which we'll be excited for the Kentucky Derby. Another good day to drink whiskey. Oh, yes, that smells mint. Shocking. Simple syrup. A little bit of cherry. Vanilla. Not a whole lot else.
So much mint.
There's an insane amount of mint on here, actually. This is like taking a mint leaf and shoving up your nose.
Like, this is like fresh slapped mint.
Yeah. If you have a mint plant that grows in your yard, it smells exactly like this. I like it. Of course, I love mint, so for me, that's fine. Doesn't bother me in the slightest. I love mint juleps. I love the little mint leaves sitting in there, and you can chew on the things when you're drinking it. It's delicious if you're into those kind of things.
It's almost... I know this is going to sound weird, but I've been drinking a lot more tequila lately with the new job that I have.
Okay.
This smells of agave sweetener.
Interesting.
Not distilled agave, but agave syrup.
Yeah, agave syrup. Yeah, exactly.
It's mint plus that sickly sweet agave syrup.
I love agave syrup. I have it for cocktails. I think it's delicious.
Do you?
I do. But you already figured that. Not a surprise. All right. So,
oh, my goodness. Okay. This smells like it's going to be a little sweet for my palate. I'm not going to lie.
Nice and minty. Almost like toothpaste. Simple syrup, but cherry, vanilla oak. Will's not a fan.
I'm left with the minty. Man, is that ever clingy.
Very clingy, very minty.
Oily.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like they took the mint leaves, wrung them out, and poured mint oil on your tongue.
For me, I would say I would not want this refrigerated if I'm going to be pouring this over ice, because I'm going to want the ice to get diluted quite a bit. I'm going to want a lot of the ice to melt and maybe to dump in some more ice after that. Because this is really, really clingy sweet to me, and I would probably want to have this diluted.
Yes.
Quite a bit.
I will drink this on Derby Day because I think it's delicious. Of course, we can always do a review of what's better, Old Forester or Maker's Mark. I don't subject Will to that. I'll do that one on my own. Because Will doesn't like to do this plan at all.
Listen, man, I'm here for the free whiskey. I fill up for what you supply me with. I do what I'm told because you give me things, and,
okay.
And I like things.
Something else in the bag he's going to suffer through the next Sunday. It's going to be super fun.
Well, no, actually, it's going to be previous Sundays from when this airs.
Well, yeah, that's true. Previous Sundays.
Yeah.
Remember,
we're in a time loop here.
Yeah, that's true. You never
time
know.
Loop
You take the red
filming
pill
versus releasing. It's really fun.
Yeah,
to do.
It's red pills and blue pills and stuff like that. It's fun times here.
It really, really is. So what Matt's just referring to is going to be giving me a fun blind coming up soon. So indeed, that should be an interesting time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, everybody. Click that notification bell. We're live every Monday night, deep diving into whiskey topics and just having all sorts of fun. Come hang out with us over there. Until next time, keep on crusading for liquids in your glass. Cheers. Mm.